So, Master Koshikidake, we have a question. My documentary is about the Buddhist sculptors of Japan, and we talk a lot about the Buddhist statues. We call it bustuzo. But in Shugendo, you guys use bustuzo?
Of course, we use, it is not so much different from what other Buddhist groups do, but I think we use gohei often instead of busdo. Gohei is like these things, okay? Wooden stand with plated paper. There are many styles of gohei, which each represent a certain deity. Shugendo practitioners were not always rich enough to have a butsuzo, and they often went to mountain practice and travel around the countryside to spread their virtuous teachings. The gohei can be prepared and carried easily no matter where they are. The important thing is to imagine a figure of deity and feel their existence in one's mind.